When it comes to decorating, peel and stick tile is a crowd favorite among renters and owners alike, and for good reason. It is durable, easy to install and uninstall, and makes a big design impact on your space without totally breaking the bank. I am part of the Peel and Stick Tile Club myself, having used it on my kitchen backsplash in my last apartment. Scout's honor, it held up great and was very easy to remove. When you think of peel and stick tile, though, you likely think of it being used in kitchens and bathrooms, or maybe even on a fireplace. But there is one spot you probably have not seen it used before, and if you have ever dealt with this eyesore of a feature in your home, you are going to love this application idea and want to copy it immediately. During a recent Design Dilemmas question and answer session on the Apartment Therapy Community Forum, Jordan Slocum and Barry Bordelon, also known as the Brownstone Boys, encouraged readers to think outside the typical uses for this rental-friendly material. To that end, they referenced one of their design projects, where they installed peel and stick tile on an architectural column of a rental home. This suggestion of tiling a column should come as no surprise, considering Jordan and Barry are known for their love of designing homes with quirks and charm. But I would say this idea reaches an extra level of ingenuity, thanks to its budget friendliness, resourcefulness, and general reversibility. Many people have a weird corner or an architectural feature that juts out awkwardly into space, interrupting the flow and look of a room. Instead of leaving these eccentricities plain and untouched, why not flip the script on those details by highlighting them in a stylish way as the Brownstone Boys did here? Pro tip: consider starting with something from their suggested brand, Wallpops, which stocks a variety of tile colors and patterns. You will not even need that much tile to cover the whole column surface, so this project should not set you back too much. I personally love how this black glossy tile pops against the matte-like finish of the lime wash walls in this room, effectively turning the column into a fun focal point versus a funky eyesore. Just when I thought peel and stick tile had been exhausted of all its design possibilities, the Brownstone Boys proved there is always a little more room for creativity. If you are feeling inspired, consider tackling this DIY yourself and share the result in our new community forum.